My dear friends, welcome to this Sur Sangam Reflections. Today, we are reflecting on the Mission Sunday. Every year, the Mission Sunday is celebrated. We want to ask this question: what is the mission? Last Sunday, we said the power of service. And today, I would like to name this little talk as love of service. Jesus came into the world to serve and not to be served. But why? Because he loved us from all eternity. But he didn't just come to preach. He came to do that service with love. And that is the mission that we are continuing. And for the last 2,000 years, thousands of people all over the world are doing the same thing. Under great difficult circumstances, they are going around. And Jesus expects you and me today to do the same thing. People who are dying, people who are sick, people who are disabled, people who are unwanted, children who are thrown on the road. These are the people who need healing touch. Besides that, there are communities which hate one another. The hatred must go away. This is the mission. And that's the reason this day is meant for a day when we can rethink our priorities. Today in the gospel, Jesus goes and meets a blind man. That blind man calls Jesus, Jesus, son of David, come and do something for me. And Jesus goes, looks at him, he heals him, and he becomes his disciple. My dear brothers and sisters, much more than before, we need this healing touch today. Because despite all the wealth that we have, despite all the education that we possess, and despite all the scientific innovations that we have had, we are still very, very poor. What do I mean? Poor in the sense there is a disparity between the rich and the poor. There are a lot of people who get nothing at all. And that's the reason we have a new mission for a new world, all over the world. And therefore this mission of Jesus Christ is not only for us Christians, but to everyone. Unless there is an understanding between people, unless we love one another, unless we serve one another, we will always remain very, very poor. And what is happening around the world? One fighting against the other. Someone creating something by which others are being affected. These things should go down. Then only we can have world as a better place to live in. That is the mission that Jesus wants us to carry on. A mission of love and service is absolutely necessary. I may think, what does it matter to me? I have enough to eat, I have enough to live. Why should I bother about other people? Remember that the same thing Cain said to God, who is my brother? And then God said, everyone is your brother, everyone is your sister. When you love and when you serve, you do what is needed to do for God. So today, my dear brothers and sisters, we are all called to contribute something. Contribute maybe a little money, but that is not sufficient. There should be a change of heart within us to look at other people as our own brothers and sisters. Only then there can be a true mission. So let us all gather together as the Pope has given us a clarion call for a new synodal understanding, where we move together, we live together, and learn to accept one another. Once we do that, surely we will have this world as a better place to live in. So, let us all try and do something. Let us not curse the darkness. Let us light a lamp and say, I can do it, you can do it, we all can do it. Have a nice day. Thank you.